Good day everyone, our topic is all about addition rules for probability. The probability of two or more events can be determined by the addition rules. The first addition rule states that when two events A and B are mutually exclusive, the probability that A or B will occur is probability of A or B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. Two events are said to be mutually exclusive if D cannot occur at the same time. They have also no outcomes in common. To understand it clearly, we can use Venn diagram to illustrate. The probability of A and probability of B have no intersection, or their intersection is null set. Examples: a box contains 3 glazed donuts, 4 jelly donuts, and 5 chocolate donuts at random. Find the probability that it is either a glazed or a chocolate donut. Given glazed donuts is equal to 3, jelly donuts is equal to 4, chocolate donuts is equal to 5, a total of 12 donuts. By the use of Venn diagram, probability of glaze is 3, the probability of chocolate is equal to 5. By the use of the formula, probability glaze or chocolate is equal to probability of glaze plus probability of chocolate is equal to 3 over 12 plus 5 over 12 is equal to 8 over 12 or 2/3. Therefore, the probability that it is either a glaze or a chocolate donut is 2/3. Another example is selecting an instructor. At a convention, there are 7 mathematics instructors, 5 computer science instructors, 3 statistics instructors, and 4 science instructors. If an instructor is selected, find the probability of getting a science instructors or a math instructors. Given mathematics instructors is equal to 7, computer science instructors is equal to 5, statistics instructors is equal to 3, and science instructor is equal to 4, a total of 19 instructors in a convention. What is the probability of getting a science instructor or a math instructor? Probability of science instructor is equal to 4, and probability of math instructors is equal to 7. Probability of science instructor or math instructors is equal to probability of science instructors plus probability of math instructors is equal to 4 over 19 plus 7 over 19 is equal to 11 over 19. Therefore, the probability of science instructor or math instructor to be selected is 11 over 19. Examples of 3 events that are mutually exclusive. Selecting a card. If one card is drawn from an ordinary deck of cards, find the probability of getting the following: A king or a queen or a jack, B a club or a heart or a spade. A king, a queen, and a jack. Probability of king or queen or jack is equal to probability of king plus probability of queen plus probability of jack is equal to 4 over 52 plus 4 over 52 plus 4 over 52 is equal to 12 over 52 or 3 over 13. Therefore, the probability of getting a king or a queen or a jack is 3 over 13. The probability of getting a club or a heart or a spade. A club cards is equal to 13 cards. A spade card is equal to 13 cards. A heart cards is equal to 13 cards, and also a diamond cards is equal to 13 cards. A total of 52 cards. By the use of Venn diagram, probability of club cards is 13. The probability of heart is 13, and the probability of speed is 13. By the use of the formula, probability of club cards or heart or speed is equal to probability of club plus probability of heart plus probability of speed is equal to 13 over 52 plus 13 over 52 plus 13 over 52 is equal to 39 over 52 or 3/4. Therefore, the probability of getting a club cards or heart cards or speeds cards is 3/4. That's all my report. Thank you and God bless.